Calling all inventors and tech tinkerers. Welcome to EdMaker's Maker Monday, where everyday objects become extraordinary creations. Join us and unleash your creativity. Today's Maker Monday project is all about creating a talking greeting card that can say hello right back with a voice recording device. Now, some of you might be thinking, those voice recorder things and greeting cards, can they really make greetings more exciting? Well, hold on to your circuits because the answer is a resounding yes! Imagine creating a greeting card that can greet someone with a funny message, a birthday song, or even a secret code. All built by you!
Whoa.
This project is perfect for everyone. Whether you're a crafting whiz or a total newbie who can't quite tell glitter glue from modeling clay, don't worry, we won't judge. Now, grab your tools. We'll show you how to use that voice recorder to make your greeting card talk.
30秒录音贺卡操作，按住播放，开始录音。你好，你好，1、2、3、4、5。你好，你好，1、2、3、4。把它揭开，对准贺卡的这个痕迹贴上。你好，你好，1、2、3、4。你好，你好，1、2、3、4。按键，短按。你好，你好，1、2、3、4。播放。你好，你好，1、2、3、4。长按录音。你好，你好，欢迎光临。你好，你好，欢迎光临。你好，你好，欢迎光临。你好，你好，欢迎。
Isn't it amazing how the voice recorder added a cool talking feature to this greeting card?
We did it.
The maker in our video used it to record a special message, just like you can. Imagine creating a Christmas card with a Santa voice recorder that greets whoever opens it. We hope you had as much fun building yours as we did building ours. Now, let's see some inspiration.
These cool talking bots use the same little voice recorder we just used on the greeting card.
Ready to share your creation? Show off your talking greeting card and inspire others. Keep creating, keep innovating. And remember, every Monday is a chance to make something amazing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting Maker Monday project.